Jason here, Electric Bike Tech with Liberty Trike for a helpful short. Really quickly, this is about the caliper brake in the front, and it's about this cable right here, all right? When this cable is assembled properly, it should really be bowed out in front. Even if you have a basket, you kind of want to find a way to negotiate this where there's just no pressure on it. Any pressure or kinking, even if you zip tie this somewhere and you think that's going to be a good thing, any pressure is going to close the mechanism here, almost as if up here you were grabbing this and applying pressure to the cable inside, and therefore actuating this caliper which grips this, which is called a rotor. And so we've seen people during assembly, if you're not careful, this can actually get wrapped around here. You know, you've taken the handlebar off and it's kind of gotten wrapped up or whatever, and next thing you know, they're wondering why there's a noise here or why their trike won't go. And it has to do with this always has to be bowed out in front. You have to have no pressure on it. If it gets wrapped up in here, something's wrong, and you want to unfurl that, get it back to this position so you're not biting on the rotor. I hope it's helpful.